Hey guys, Joseph here. It's really cold out right now, but BlackboxMyCar got us these really nice shell jackets. So here I am. It's quite thin, to be honest, still, but hey, we're outside, so let's do this. We were inspired by Chuck McClure, one of our favorite people on the internet, and he did this really cool 4-channel dash cam setup in his car using two VIOFO A129 Pluses. And what we want to do today is take it up a notch and go 4-channel 4K using two Thinkware U1000 dash cams. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar. We're gonna have a lot more experiments like this coming soon in 2021. So stay up to date with us and join us for the fun. Well, you're not gonna see any professional installation here today.
Parking recording will now start.
Well, you're not gonna see any professional installation here. You can get that at our head office. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up each of these to a BlackboxMyCar BI750 dashcam battery pack, and let's see how well the footage looks when we do a 4-channel setup. Boom. Rear camera on. Up, down, got it. Oh, that was surprisingly smooth. Okay. Should we show that?
I just did.
Oh, did you? Yeah. Nice. Boom! Yo! I've never had such an easy time taking off the adhesive before. This is amazing. All right, let's do this. Check it out, we're mounting. Let's put that up here. I'm gonna hide it. Yeah, no professional installation here. And in an ideal world, I would take this off and hide that in there, but here we are. I just realized that I really shouldn't have been tucking. I should have been tucking this cable in. Derp-a-derp.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm like, wait, this goes down here. What am I doing? I hope I'm making you proud, Chuck. I'm doing this for you. Got my rear cam right here. It's gonna go right here. It's gonna go right here. But it looks like my back windows are a little tinted, so I'm gonna have to turn up the brightness in the settings itself. You guys ready? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Be right in the middle. Okay, cool. And one thing I forgot to do is take off the camera thinger. Round 2, second camera. Okay, what do I need? SD card, rear camera. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the U1000, and then we're gonna put on the CPL filter.
Are you sure you want to do a CPL filter? Pretty dark already.
I think you've caught me at a weak moment. You're right. There's already tint on the rear camera.
It's on a rear camera though.
Fucking rear. You know, it's so cold that I can't actually open these bags. I really need gloves or something. Ready? Yo! Boom! Ha ha! really want one of those scooters. Jesus. Boom. Wow, Joseph, that was so smooth. Do it again, do it again. I can't, it's on there. Ah, crap. I'm gonna put this SD. Boom. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. That was our 4-channel installation experiment. If you guys want to see more experiments like this, hey, drop it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And we'll be trying more in 2021. If you have any questions, please drop them in there and we'll read them too. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar. And Happy New Year's. Thanks for watching.